Do you know what is an angular bisector? An angular bisector is a line which divides the given angle into two equal parts. Suppose you consider this. This is angle AOB. This is equal to 60 degrees. If this line OC divides this angle into two equal parts, that means if this angle is 30 degrees and this angle is 30 degrees, then this line is called angular bisector. And now we learn how to construct to bisect a given angle. OA and OB are two rays. They meet at O. Due to this, we get an angle AOB. To construct an angular bisector, you fold this paper so that these two rays meet each other. You fold the sheet through O such that the rays OA and OB coincide. Now this is the crease. You draw a line along this crease. Now this line OC is the angular bisector of this angle. You measure this, you can find angle AOC and angle COB are equal. This OC is the line of symmetry. Therefore, this is angle bisector of angle AOB. If you cannot fold the paper, then how to draw? Let us consider angle MON. This is the given angle. We have to construct angular bisector for this. Now with O as a center, with any convenient radius, draw an arc using compass. This arc PQ. This cuts OM at P, ON at Q. Now P as the center and any radius slightly more than the half of the length of this PQ. Draw an arc in the interior of the given angle. Now with Q as the center, without altering the radius, as in previous step, draw another arc in the interior of angle MON. Let these two arcs coincide at Z. Now draw a line OZ. This OZ is desired bisector of angle MON. And you can observe that angle MOZ is equal to angle ZON.